Hello everyone, and welcome to Slice Print Roleplay. So I just want to start by saying thank you. The channel has grown to 102 subscribers, and that is freaking awesome. Most of that has come just in the past like 2 or 3 weeks. So really, thank you guys. I really appreciate it. And I will definitely continue trying to make videos I think will benefit you. And if there's anything that you guys aren't seeing that you're confused about, if you have any questions, whatever it might be, whether you want a video or you just need some help with it, put it in the comments down below or jump on the Facebook page. I am absolutely thrilled to continue giving you guys some kind of help along your 3D printing journey and your tabletop, role-playing stuff. So please don't hesitate. Let me know what you need and I will happily help out. So today's video, we're going to be talking about how to use the mirror function on pretty much any slicer has this, but it is a really great way to give your models some variety. So if you want to do like some town guards or a raiding party and you only have 3 individual models, you can very easily make those 6 more distinct models to give your armies a little bit more variety. So let's get to it. Alright, so of course the first thing we're going to need are some models. So I picked these. These are the Dragon Knights from Dutchmogul. You guys know he's been mentioned on the channel a couple of times now. His stuff is awesome. He's got a ton of really cool models. So jump on Thingiverse, check him out. If you like his stuff, definitely consider jumping on, looking at his other projects. He's the creator of Pocket Tactics, and he's the co-founder of Ill-Gotten Games, as you can see here. So jump on those, definitely check it out. If you like his stuff, consider dropping him a tip on Thingiverse. It's always appreciated by artists to give out all this tons of really cool stuff for us. So we're going to download these models and we're going to bring them into whatever slicer you're using. I'm going to be using Cura just to give you guys an example, but almost every slicer has these options. All right, so you're going to bring all 3 models into Cura and then you're going to duplicate them. Now you can do that 2 ways. It doesn't really matter. You can either click on the model and go to multiply and then set 1 so that it's going to multiply each one. You're going to have to do that 3 times, or you can do it the faster way and go to the same file you brought them in at and just bring them in again. And that will give you obviously 2 sets of each model. Now once there, all you got to do is you're going to click on the model and then you're going to get the 4th option down and click on this red arrow. And you're going to go on down the line and do that for all these guys or girls. Pretty heavy armor, can't really tell for sure. These people, these Dragon Knights. So there you go. Now we have a really cool varied group where we can put them, we can put them together in like a, a town guard or like a raiding party or something like that. And you have a little bit of variety here where it makes it much easier, especially for DMs, to keep track of who's taking damage, who's attacking, initiative order, whatever it might be. So this gives you at least a little bit of variety now where you can kind of keep track of these guys and just makes it a little less stale whenever you're putting these guys out on your board. They're not going to look like rank and file. You're going to have them be a little bit different. So there you go. Mirroring option in any slicer will do this. Almost all of them have this mirroring option. They might work just slightly differently, but play around with it a little bit and it's usually pretty easy to figure out. But yeah, hopefully you guys found that helpful. If you did, as always, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you know of anyone else who is interested in 3D printing or tabletop gaming, please suggest that they jump on the Facebook page or maybe send them some of these videos. And all right, let's go print something.